Tax myths and urban legends. I inherited a chunk and now I'm gonna owe taxes. Tax myths and urban legends. Do you know anybody who is expecting to inherit a chunk? They might be worried about the tax that it's going to cause them. Inheriting something in and of itself does not cause you to owe income taxes. And presently, estate and death tax is at an all-time low. It's likely, if you are receiving an inheritance, that estate paid no death or inheritance tax, because presently the exemptions are so large, most people don't end up paying any inheritance or death tax. Inheriting something may create an obligation to report the related income and pay tax on it, but an inheritance itself is not taxed for income tax. So what do I mean by that? If you were to inherit, let's say, some stocks, those stocks, once you inherit them, may continue to earn dividends and capital gains. The dividends and capital gains that the stocks earn once you inherit them would be reported as taxable income, and it would be taxed. But receiving the stocks is not subject to income tax. Now, by sharp contrast, if you receive a gift from somebody, let's just say grandma, very similar fact pattern. If you receive from grandma during her lifetime some stocks, that is an entirely different issue. You see, when somebody dies and you inherit something, you get what's called under tax law a stepped up basis. You get to treat it as if you purchased it at the value on grandma's date of death. But by sharp contrast, if grandma gives you those stocks during her lifetime, when you go to sell that stock, you have to look back and somehow know what grandma paid for that stock. And what grandma paid for that stock will be your measurement point for figuring out whether you have a gain or a loss, which could be taxable. And that's how lifetime gifts and inheritance is radically different. And folks, for daily IRS updates, tax tips, and everything small business, mash that like button, share, and follow. And if you yourself are looking to save thousands of dollars on your small business taxation, head over to myfavoritecpa.com or send me a DM today.